case.
port is
Well, I would seek, my lord, now.
constructing a hospital over there.
Yes. Now, my lord, that
It
is
is the
party
land of the
office.
port.
Hospital is 600 meters away from that particular land.
What right do you have? What right do you have to enter into somebody else's property and run a school or run a nursing home from there? Do you have any right?
For that, I need to take the instruction. My lord, today, my lord, I got to know, my lord, I was instructed, two people had just.
Standing behind you and saying that you intervened.
My lord, I have few documents to show.
Whoa, what is the
Now, my
position?
lord, this-
We got to know at the time of demolition.
Very well. What is the position?
The police has not, my lord, carried out the order of the court. I am going to take a contempt application. In the meantime, I will seek, my lord, she will permit us, my lord, to utilize the central forces to remove this. Immediately, when the order was passed, my lord, these people were gathered there and they started saying that we run a school. Where from the school comes?
People are residing
These are
there. People are running the
situation.
school. 30. My lord, I have the voter card issued on that particular premises.
Where from
Well,
does your
this
right
is-
come? Tell me this.
That I will come back, my lord. Kindly allow me to take the instruction in.
You take instruction
My lord, para 2, para 3, my lord.
a hospital being
two
constructed
persons
cannot
name
be.
My lord, two persons' name being pleaded in the writ petition, but they are not made party. They are not made party.
Very well.
My lord, as far as
Yes, your report, please.
may I submit? As far as we are concerned, my lord, we had gone there with a large police force. The port authorities were carrying out the entire eviction. We have ensured not a single person from the port authorities was injured or there was any law and order. We've kept the place. They carried out. Part of the thing has happened. There is more time, my lord, that is required. My only prayer is, my lord, some more time is given. Let the port trust give when they'll do the next date. We will, as your lordship has rendered, we will render assistance.
Very well. You render assistance and along with you, let the
I'll tell you,
central
lordship.
authorities also be there. You are there. Let the central authorities also be there for
No,
removal
my lord,
of
that
these
is
people.
not, my lord, that is not required, my lord.
Fine.
Because we shall render all assistance.
You will be there. The court is not throwing you out. But let there be more force from the
No, no,
central
we will
authorities.
provide, my lord. It is not a case that we can't
No,
provide.
what is your difficulty?
No,
You
we,
will not. You have.
no, we will undertake the entire
Yes,
exercise.
you will, and you are, and you have.
Yes,
No
Lord.
difficulty with that.
No, central
Getting-
forces are not required over there. My humble submission is because my lord, today, my lord, end of the day, law and order is the state subject. My lord, today we have rendered the service, but my lord, it is an area of 12,000 square feet. My lord, with lot of resistance, with everything. My lord, my lord, if your lordship kindly accepts my version, my lord, we are rendering all cooperation. My lord, I am surprised with this sort of submission that was made before your lordship, but we have rendered. We will provide a stronger police force if required. But my lord, as far as the demolition drive is concerned, my lord, they have carried out. My lord, today, if they are unable to carry out the demo, I should not be blamed for it.
Nobody is blaming you.
Lord,
Nobody is blaming
My,
you.
my lord, my right
No.
of residence, my lord, right of.
Nobody is blaming you.
My lord, that's it's going away without being made party.
my lord, I
140, my lord, kindly
Wait.
don't take me amiss, my
I
lord.
will-
Yesterday,
I will, because till you can show that you have a right to stay over there, the court is not there with
my
you.
lord, kindly appreciate, my lord. My lord is very much aware, my lord. Even yesterday, my lord has, my lord, one of my colleagues, my lord, was reprimanded by my lord, my lord. He has shown one order sheet, my lord, which is under section 144 of the CRPC, and by that order, one eviction has been made. My lord, these, my lord, same is happening, my lord, in a writ proceedings. My lord, kindly, my lord, kindly allow me to come back with all the documents. Then, my lord, will see. Well, what are the facts? My lord, my right has been fructified, my lord, by way of adverse possession. My lord, I have been staying.
Public property.
Yes, I will show the law. My lord, I'll show the law. My lord, 12 years for the private parties and 30 years for the government property.
Yes.
My lord, I'll come back. My lord, let me come back. My lord, these are the facts which have not been pleaded.
Lord, they were
My lord,
set up, my lord, after
surreptitiously,
the
my
order
lord,
was
this
passed by the
writ has,
Sorry, sir. I am not.
this writ has
I
been
am
filed, my
not
lord.
with you.
My lord, kindly grant me that liberty.
What do you have today?
My lord, today, my lord,
You have
I-
nothing.
My lord, I got to know, my lord, I have been instructed today morning in court.
That is your client's difficulty. That is neither the petitioner's problem nor the court's
But they are
problem.
not so rich, my lord, kindly.
Rich? Where is the question of richness coming over here? One has to be rich. Make proper submissions in court. The wealth of a party is.
It matters, my lord, I'm
it
sorry to
does
say,
not.
my lord, it matters sometimes.
Then if you think you are poor enough and you are not in a position
They
to
are
don't-
illiterate, my lord. They are from the slums, my lord. Kindly appreciate. These are the aspects, my lord. My lord, I cannot, my lord, until unless I produce all the facts, my lord, along with the documents
when your
to
client,
substantiate that they have been
Listen,
staying in that property.
listen, it is your client who has come and instructed you that they are staying there. Was it not your primary
Even
duty
a
to
school has
inquire?
been run by one NGO.
Is it not your duty to inquire from your client what are the documents to place before
Yes,
the court
I
on the
did.
first day?
I did. I
They don't
asked
have-
them outside the court. Kono document anenni.
Bas, it's over. It is over. It is a school. If you say it's there for 30 years, there must be some document.
I have all the documents. My lord, kindly take it up tomorrow.
No,
Give-
come at 1:15.
My lord, 1:15, my lord, I'll come back.
Yes.
I'll come back.
Your lordship has already fixed another matter at 1:15 today.
Yes, 1:15 doesn't end there. So 1:15 I'll be here.
Lunchtime, your lordship not kindly stop.
It is for y'all. It's not for me. I do not have any personal interest in any matter.
No, that's not the issue, but lunchtime, your lordship not.
You can have lunch, you can keep somebody here. Yes, call for.